Hello. In this video we are going to learn to find out image, pre-image of some more function. Suppose we are going to take the a set as -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and a set if the function is a to z. Z stands for integer. Now fx is, the rule is given fx x square minus 2x minus 3. We need to find out range and we need to find out pre-image of 6, minus 3 and minus 5. So now fx is this one given. So as fx is this one given, what will be f of -2? It will be -2 whole square minus 2 into -2 minus 3. So it will be 4 plus 4 minus 3, 4 plus 4, 8, this. So similarly if you will calculate, you will get f of -1 equals to 0, f 0 equals to -1, 6 plus 1, yes. So now next one, f of 1 equals to -4 and f of 2 equals to -3. f of 1, if I put there, -4, f of 2 equals to -3. So range of the function we can say as for f -2 it was 5, this is 0, this is -3 and this is -4. So this is known as range of the function. Now this is the range of the function under this set. Now we need to find out if there is any pre-image 6, -3, -5 is there in the set or not. Suppose if fx is equals to 6, what is going to happen? If fx is equals to 6, from there can we write that x square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 6, so x square minus 2x minus 9 equals to 0. If I apply Sidracharya method, x equals to plus minus b minus b square minus 4ac, so plus 36 divided by 2 into 1, so 2 plus minus root 40, this one divided by 2, 1 plus minus root 10, which are both belongs to irrational number, doesn't belongs to set A. So 6 doesn't have any pre-image. 6 doesn't have any pre-image. Next one, what is going to happen for next one? I had asked -3. So x square minus 2x minus 3 is equals to -3. Hence x square minus 3 cancel out. X square minus 2x equals to 0. X common. From there I can write the solution as x equals to 0 and 2. Now out of 0 and 2, just check 0 and 2 both belongs to this set, right? 0 and 2 is there in set A. So we can say 0 and 2 both are pre-image, 0 and 2 both are pre-image of -3. Next one, if we have to find out if plus 5 has a pre-image or not. So x square minus 3x, sorry, minus 2x minus 3 is equals to 5. Minus 2x minus 3 equals to 5. So we can write x square minus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. So if I factorize, x minus 4 into x plus 2 equals to 0. So value of x will be 4 and minus 2. Just check the set A. We have 2 there in set A but not that -4. Sorry, we have -2. We need -2 and 4. So -2 is there in set A but not 4. So can we say that as -2 belongs to A but 4 doesn't belongs to A. So pre-image of 5 is -2. So what element is in set A that will be pre-image? Next case, the equal function. So two functions f and g will be equal when we can say that the functions are equal. So two functions f and g are equal if two cases to be valid. One case is domain of f is equals to domain of g, and the second case to be valid also, that codomain of f is equals to codomain of g. So what we need to find out here, just check what is codomain, domain and all these things. Suppose the function is given, a is given 1, 2 and b is given 3, 6. So fx is my x square plus 2. Just put the value 1 square plus 2 is 3, 2 square plus 2 is 6. So same domain and same codomain with gx equals to 3x. If I put 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6. So both these function as same domain and same codomain. So we can say that they are equal. Next case, if it is if such that R2, R minus 2 to R, this R stands for real number, is defined by fx equals to x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2. And the second function g is defined by R to R, which is defined by gx equals to x plus 2. Now just check, this function will be equals to x plus 2 as x doesn't belongs to 2. Already is given that. Right? So this function will have same codomain. End of the day, this function will have same codomain because x doesn't belongs to 2. But what is the domain of the first function? Domain of the first function is R. Sorry, domain of the second function is R. And what is the domain of the first function? Domain of the first function, this is actually not I here, this is the representation of real number set R. So domain of the first function is R minus 2. So domains are not equal. So these functions are not equal. Is it fine? I hope all of you understood this one. So if there is any problem regarding equal function and image, pre-image, please write in the comment box. I am going to solve it for you. Thank you.